One coffee, three Cuban ways. We're making cafecitos, cortaditos, and café con leche like we do in my family. Let's make these delicious pick-me-ups. First, brew your espresso in a Moka pot. Fill the bottom with hot water until right below the steam valve. Hot water speeds things up. Pack in your finely ground coffee, level it off, and give it a gentle tamp with the back of your spoon. Screw the top on tight and place it over medium heat. Take the first few drops and add them to a metal cup that contains a couple of tablespoons of sugar. Put the Moka pot back on the stove. Start whipping the sugar like your reputation depends on it. You're making espumita, a glossy caramel foam that says, "Yes, I know what I'm doing." It will turn thick, syrupy, and a caramel color. When the rest of the espresso is done, pour it in the sugar mixture. If a sweet foam floats to the top when you pour it, you nailed it. Now for the cortadito. The base is the cafecito you just made, but this time we soften it or cut it with some hot milk. I combine oat milk plus vegan evaporated milk on the stove until I see steam. Pour about a quarter cup of the cafecito into a small cup and then add a few spoonfuls of the milk. The classic ratio is 2 parts coffee to 1 part milk. To make it a café con leche, pour your cafecito into a big mug and then slowly add the warm milk to a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 ratio, depending on how light you like it. Visit nutsandtwigs.com for all the details.